The next principle is staging. So staging refers to the clarity of a pose or action and the act of drawing the viewer's eye to the right place. So think of a pose as some kind of statement. It's important that the statement is clear and obvious to the audience. And this is where design principles like silhouette, negative space really come into play, right? So if our pose isn't obvious and clear, or there's no clear intent or point of focus, the character's thought or performance becomes muddied and the audience will be confused. So this is particularly important when we consider expressiveness and personality. Our goal should always be to make our character's performance and connected emotions really clear. And good staging will help the intended feeling and aim of a character's pose shine through. Secondary action is basically the idea that a character can be performing a main action, let's say walking, but simultaneously doing another action such as checking their phone, scratching their head, or whistling. These are just some potential examples. The point here is a secondary action should support the primary action and not distract from it. In a sense, it enhances the overall statement being made. Secondary action is a really useful idea when it comes to expressive characters. It's just such a really simple way of taking a character performance to the next level. The thing to be careful of is not making a character do too much, and again, making sure everything feels like it supports the main action.